Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. Let's do some cooking Sam's way. I totally fell in love with this granola recipe. It turns out that I was using so much more sweetener than I needed to. And this recipe was yummy and so delicious. It turned out just like the picture. And I love the story of Sam. It really sets the stage for all of his recipes to follow, his travels, and how that was included in all of his recipes. And I really feel that with a young mind like his, it really encourages those of us who don't cook very often to go for it. And the store cupboard is really great because it helps you to see what you need in your cupboard to start these recipes. Even though social media has really skyrocketed for Sam, I love this publication. I'm so happy that he has a recipe book that we can see the pictures and really follow the recipes and have a great time cooking Sam's way. We love it, we highly recommend it, and that's just our point of view.